Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Cadillac. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 13,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and OnStar.